This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white butter icing with an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including unsalted butter and powdered sugar. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth result. You'll also need a stand mixer or a hand mixer with a paddle attachment to get started. Let's create some beautiful, fluffy icing. Once your butter is perfectly softened, it's time to whip it. Beat the butter on medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it becoming much lighter in color and texture, almost fluffy. This process is key to incorporating air, which gives your icing that wonderful, airy consistency. Don't forget to pause and scrape down the sides of your bowl, often to ensure everything is evenly combined. Now, let's start building that delicious icing. Gradually add your powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition until fully incorporated. Once all the sugar is in, slowly add a small amount of milk or cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Finally, stir in vanilla extract or any other flavorings you love for that perfect taste. For that truly professional finish, beat your icing on high speed for another 3 to 5 minutes. This final whip makes it incredibly light, fluffy, and perfectly white. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more liquid. If too thin, a spoonful of powdered sugar will help. You'll have beautiful, pipeable icing ready for any dessert. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade butter icing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.